Hello guys, good day. This is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to check if meron pa silang stock ng The North Face collaboration with Supreme. And na-late tayo ngayon since I have to work until 12:30 p.m. And ayun, wala tayong nadatnan na number. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a pair of sneakers for 1K subs. And having said that guys, let's get back to the video. So, even though natapos na yung bigay ng number ng Supreme, may pila pa rin dito. Ewan ko, bakit? Hindi naman, honestly hindi naman ganun kaganda yung release ng Supreme. Kaya, pumayag kang pumasok na Saturday. Pero, eto na yung mga nasa loob ng Supreme. Well, that's what they have in Supreme, and our next stop is Bape. And we need to fall in line before tayo makapasok. And right now, they have a collaboration with Liberty Walk. Ayan. So that's the Bape Head logo. That's Alagon. As you can see, great collaboration by the way. So, nandito tayo sa first floor and makikita nyo agad yung collaboration ng Liberty Walk and Bape. And ito yung mga hoodies nila. Ayan. LBWK. And yung shirt, pati itong nasa baba na bagong silhouette nila. I think this is the cross sta. May branding ng Liberty Walk. And dito tayo sa second floor, may bago silang bags. Ayan. Pwede yung i-change yung strap. Ito yung kanyang bag. Tamang-tama for, Halloween. Ayan. So, nandito naman sa side na ito is yung mga beanie. Gloves, of course. Itong beanie na to, pwede nyo tanggalin. Velcro strap. Meron siyang design sa loob. Tapos, dito naman sa side na ito is yung shark sta. Iba't ibang, design. Pinakabagong design ng Bape. Ayan. Ganda ng gray. Parang New Balance 993. And of course, this one. Mga shirts nila. Parang cereal box. Ayan. Ito yung design ng bag kanina. Ayan naman yun nandun sa likod. Yung back print. Meron dun silang black. Same with that one. Ayan din yung design. And of course, meron din silang shark hoodie. Ganyan yung pattern. WGM chenille material. So, slogan tee. Iba't ibang kulay. Flannels. And also this one. Ayan, mga bago nila. Nandito pa rin naman yung autumn tee. Ang ganda ng Bape Head logo. Ayan. Japan exclusives. Lahat yan Japan exclusives. So, iba't ibang kulay. Meron din in black. Pag merong white, meron din silang black. Ayan. Bape in lukewarm water. So, ayun tayo. Kitang-kita sa salamin ko ano suot natin. Ito naman yung kanina. So, inulit ko lang din. Ito naman yung bago nilang long sleeve crew neck. Ayan, WGM or World Gone Mad. And ito yung Halloween tees nila. So, ang cool. Iniba nila yung design ng Bape Head. And ayan yung nilagay nila. Bali, ayun lang yung nasa Bape. Well, that's what they have in Bape. And ngayon naman, punta tayo sa Stussy. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Well, that's what they have in Stussy, and ngayon naman ay nandito tayo sa Medicom Toy Store. Dito sa loob, makikita nyo yung pinakabago nilang Looney Tunes Squad sa Space Jam. Ayan. And of course, meron ditong COS in collaboration with Medicom. Ayan, yung mga pinakabago nilang figurines. And ito yung mga bagong released na Bear Bricks, 400%. Batman, Elmo. Well, that's what they have in Medicom Toy Store. And ngayon naman dito tayo sa Atmos. So, here in Atmos, we have a restock of the Puma Speed Cat. Ayan. So, that's the retail price. 14,300 yen. And ito yung kanyang details. So, sabi ng misis ko, mas masarap daw to, tingin niya, kaysa dun sa Samba. Pero I think it is. Kasi, tignan niyo naman, sa Samba kasi leather na leather tong sackliner. Pero, dito sa Speed Cat, medyo, foamy yung kanyang, sackliner. And of course, suede yung kanyang material. Bawal lang siya sa ulan. And ito pala yung outsole niya. Para siyang, mga sapatos ng mga Formula 1 drivers. For me, ganda. Ayan. Available pa rin dito. So, after all that, kailangan nating magpagupit. So, nandito tayo sa Barber's Point and I need to cut my hair kasi sobrang haba na. Ayan. So, mamaya na lang. Bali, ayun pala yung mga nangyari kanina. And ayun, ito na yung gupit ko. Pinatrim ko lang yung sides kasi sobrang haba na. And ngayon naman, i-unveil natin yung orders. So, first off, we have this very limited Bored Ape Yacht Club. And ito yung kanyang size. This is a 9.5, 27.5 centimeters in Japan sizing. Tapos, 41,800 yen ang kanyang retail price. Napaka-steep. Ito pala yung inclusion. Meron tayong dust bag. Meron tayong gradient laces with the lace tips of metal. Ayan, or aglets of metal. Two very big ape head logos dito. Ayan, maintenance precautions yung nakalagay sa likod in a variety of languages. And so, ayan yung forefoot area. This is the lateral side. This is the medial side. This is the tongue. Para siyang Gel Kayano 14 yung shape. And ito naman yung heel tab. So, this is the collaborative logo of Bayc, B-A-Y-C, and Bape. So, ganun din yung kanyang dubre. Ayan. Napakaganda. And ganito yung kanyang outsole. May 3M hits siya all around the shoe. And of course, the insole is this. So, ayun, napakaganda. Maraming salamat pala kay Sir Bernard dito sa kanyang order. And proceed na tayo dun sa mga in-store orders natin. So, ngayon, onti lang. First and foremost, unahin natin yung mga Bape orders natin, no? So, unang-una sa list is si Sir Bernard. Siya rin yung nag-order ng BAYC kanina. And ito naman is a poncho. Ano ba yung poncho, no? So, ito yung kanyang bag. Lagay ng poncho. Ayan. So, pwedeng-pwede to sa tag-ulan. This is for kids, by the way. You can still order this one. So, raincoat para sa baby or toddler. Ayan. Napakaganda, no? So, yung kanyang pattern is ABC camo na parang translucent. So, lagay lang natin dyan sa likod. So, si Sir Yehel pala, nagpa-order sa atin ng, very limited, Japan exclusive pala to. Liberty Walk in collaboration with The Bathing Ape. Ito yung kanilang shirt for this collaboration. So, of course, meron siyang paper and itong Ziploc bag. Lagay lang natin dito sa gilid, no? And ito yung black colorway. Ayan. So, katakana yan on top of the College T. Yung logo ng College T, ayan, Liberty Walk, yung nakalagay. Tapos, ito naman yung kanyang backprint, which is on the nape area. Ayan. Ganda. Yung tag pala niya dalawa. This is the Liberty Walk tag and sa likod niya is the Bathing Ape tag. Ayan. So, napakagandang shirt. At hindi ko alam kung meron pang collaboration dito si Bape na mas gaganda pa. Para sa akin, okay na okay to. And ito naman yung white. This is a size L, by the way. So, yung white, medyo dumihin lang siya, pero kung marunong kayo mag-ingat, magiging pristine yung condition yan. So, ayan siya. Ayan. Para sa akin, mas okay yung white. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maybe personal preference. And, ayun, having said that, maraming salamat pala kay Sir Yehel ng AA Companies. Gusto kong i-plug rin yung gusto niya kasing maging business partner ko. Maybe in the future or next year. So, abang-abang na lang tayo sa partnership namin. Next up is for A. Navarro. Sa kanya yung Liberty T na white and black double XL. So, check lang natin. So, ito pa rin yun. Same ng kay Sir Yehel. So, same na same. Kung ano yung in-unveil ko kanina, ganito rin yun. And ang next one natin is yung isa niya pang pinabili. Ayan. Na-reserve pala natin to. With the help of Rika San, yung store manager ng Bape. And i-unveil ko lang sa inyo. Ito yung pinaka magandang design for this collaboration. Ang rami ring nagtatanong nito sa akin. And ganyan yung kanyang front. Ayan, meron siyang Liberty Walk na design. And ito yung napakagandang backprint niya. So, kita niyo naman JDM style. Ano bang sasakyan to? Ayun. I'm sorry if hindi ko wala akong alam sa sasakyan. So, ayan yung kanyang likod. Ang ganda. White. So, maraming salamat kay Sir A and proceed na tayo dun sa next client natin. Bali, next up is for Sir Daniel. This is double XL na Katakana Liberty Walk. Hindi ko na i-unveil since parehas lang naman with Sir Yehel itong tea na to. So, ganun din. And maraming salamat kay Sir Daniel. Lastly on Bape, we have this order for Sir Ron. Dapat last week pa to nakuha pero ayun, nakapaghanap naman si Rika San for us. Ayan. This is the Baby Milo on Ape Head Tea. So, wala siyang nakalagay sa likod, pero cute pa rin yung design. Maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Ron. Ang next natin is Supreme. So, for Supreme, we have 2 cups here. Again, for Sir Yehel. And, ito yung kanilang design. Ayan. Tapos, may the North Face Supreme na logos, collaborative logos. Ayan. The same one, ito naman yung black. And ang kanyang price is 7,700 yen according dito sa tag. Same with this one, yung green. And lagay lang natin ito sa gilid. Ang next natin is the S logo cap for Sir Albert. So, ito yun pala. Ang ganda nitong cap na to. Ayan, S logo cap. So, ito yung logo niya sa likod. Supreme, embroidered, of course. Paired with this leather strap. Ayan. So, ayun. Maraming salamat kay Sir Albert. Next up is the Mr. Cartoon black 7/3/8 fitted cap. And this is for Sir Arthur. And ayan yung kanyang embroidered design. Ang ganda, no? Ayan. 7/3/8 of course. New Era logo right there. And ito yung kanyang tag sa loob. So, kitang-kita nyo naman. Ang ganda talaga ng mga caps ng Supreme and New Era. Ayan. Fitted cap. Maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Arthur for this one. And ang last natin is yung notebook. And lastly, meron tayo ditong Supreme Moleskin custom edition. Ayan. Pocket notebook. Napakaganda rin. Hello guys, so today is Sunday and kanina merong restock ng Air Force One Low after 9 weeks. So, ngayon naman, unahin natin yung Burberry. So, this is the Iron Man Mark III. This is for Sir Jello. Hindi ko na i-unbox kasi maganda na yung client natin yung mag-unbox nito para fulfilling, di ba? Ayan. This is what's inside the box pala. And ito yung likod niya. So, maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Jello. Ang next natin is for Sir Dindo. And kay Sir Dindo, sa kanya naman yung Bo-Katan Christ ba to? Or the Mandalore? Ito yung Mandalorian na ito yung name. Ewan ko kung tama ba yung pronunciation ko. Pero ito yung itsura niya sa loob. So, di ko na-unbox. And maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Dindo, ang client natin for Burbricks. Sir Jason, pumunta tayo ng Billy's pala, ayan. Tapos, nagpakuha lang siya sa atin ng stand socks, yung mid-cut, ayan. 3 pairs. So, may ganito rin ako. Ginagamit ko minsan dun sa, sa outfits. Dun sa outfit of the day. And, for Sir Jason ulit, meron ditong GU in collaboration with Undercover. Yung sweater. Ayan. So, Cosmic Noise. Usually, ang Undercover, ang retail nun is 12K eh. Kaya, sobrang mahal. Pero dito, ang GU Undercover is only 3,990 yen. So, sabihin natin mga 1,600 pesos. Napaka-affordable compared dun sa Undercover talaga. And speaking of GU Undercover, bumili pala ako kanina nito. This is the crew neck sweater. Nakalagay ito, will not surrender. And ito si Dorothy. Ayan, napakaganda kasi ng print kaya binili ko. And mura lang. Ayan. So this is a size L. So yun yung nakuha natin for Burbricks and yung GU Undercover pati Billy's. And ito naman yung sa Supreme. And for Supreme, we have here an Air Force One Low. Triple white, ayan yung kanyang tag. If you try to line up for Supreme release, you can only get one for each, one white and one black. Isa ng size. Kung ano gusto yung size sa black and white, yun lang yung makukuha nyo. One per person lang. Pero kasama natin si Mrs. kaya nakakuha tayo ng 2 white. One for stock and yung isa pre-order. So, ang price na binenta ko dito is 10,000 pesos. And ito yung kanyang box. Ayan. So, pakita ko na sa inyo yung pair ni Sir Edward. Medyo nagtaas pala sila ng price. Pakita ko sa inyo yung receipt mamaya. So, unahin natin yung kanyang extra lace. Meron tayo ditong Supreme laces na pwede nyo ipalit dito sa sapatos. And speaking of the shoes, ito na siya. This is the forefoot area. Tapos may dubraid din na Supreme AF1. Ito naman yung lateral side. The box logo is red, of course. Classic Supreme red. And this is the medial side. This is the insole. Box logo din. And yung kanyang tongue, meron din box logo. Yung likod, wala. Ayan lang. And this is the outsole. So, napakagandang pair. And this is the size 9.5. Bali, ito naman yung isa, size 9. Walang may-ari nito. So, you can message me na lang. Same price, 10,000 pesos. And ito yung kanyang inclusions. Meron tayo ditong Supreme tote bag. 2 calling card, of course. And isang Supreme sticker. Ayan. Napakadaming pair pa rin sa Supreme. Pero, of course, palagi naman nasa sold out to. Hindi ko alam kung kailan sila magre-restock. And speaking of the retail price earlier, this is the retail price for now. 17,820 yung dating price nito. Alam ko nasa 15,400 eh. Grabe. Inflation talaga, ganun. Wala tayong magagawa dun guys. Pero 10,000 pa rin naman yung selling ko. So, hindi nagtaas yung selling natin for this one. And that's fine. Ganun talaga ang buhay. We have to be fair. So, ayun. Outro na tayo. Ayun yung orders natin for this week. And I just want to thank all of you sa aking viewers, subscribers, sa lahat ng mga sumusubaybay sa vlogs. And to my friends, family, my wife, my best friend. And this is Ferdy signing out. Bye-bye!